We would now like to invite on stage Ms. Pratibha Dhungana. Ms. Dhungana is a highly motivated and dedicated individual who recently became an ACCA affiliate. From the start of her ACCA journey, she has shown a strong desire to learn, share her knowledge, and support those around her. Her hard work and persistence has allowed her to excel in challenging ACCA exams such as financial reporting and audit and assurance, and has boosted her confidence along the way. She's also found her passion in the field of audit, accounting and taxation in Nepal, and has actively pursued opportunities to further develop her skills in these areas. Currently, she works as a Senior Audit Associate at PKF TR Upadhaya Co, a renowned auditing and accounting firm in Nepal. Starting as an ACCA trainee, she has worked her way up to become an associate. She is an expert in accounting, taxation and advisory services, and has a wealth of experience in auditing, manufacturing, service and hospitality sectors. With a recent completion of 3 years of work experience under an approved employer, Ms. Dhungana is well on her way to becoming an ACCA member. Ladies and gentlemen, please put our hands together for one of the youngest ACCA members in Nepal, Ms. Pratibha Dhungana.